Hi, my name is Griffin. I am the video editor for K18. I've been hoping to grow out my hair for a very long time now, but it hasn't felt like it's been healthy enough for me to do that. The way I treat it, like I don't do much to it. Obviously there's a lot of like environmental damage that happens just naturally. Even if you're not doing a lot to your hair, you can still be damaging it. My K18 at-home routine usually starts with a detox shampoo. I really like the detox shampoo because it cleans my hair without stripping some of the natural oils. After I get out of the shower, I use the K18 mask. After I wait 4 minutes, I put on the hair oil. I really like the K18 mask and hair oil combo. It just makes my hair feel so soft. I love it. K18 has given me the freedom to really explore some of my more natural curly coily patterns. With really healthy hair, I can let the curls just be what they are, and my hair feels like the truest form of itself.